So I want to say thank you for all the love, you know what I mean, all the support. I see how much you're loving this song. So I want to announce to you that You'll Never Find will be released on July the 16th. Yeah.
This is Mr. Oneal Bryan, and you're at the Oneal Bryan residence. And I'm just giving you a little Monday evening run through. Just tidy up my place for me, I'll make a walk. You ready? Let's go. Alright. So as you can see, no? Yeah, as you can see over there, so you see chandelier. Turn on light for my chandelier there, Rasta. Yeah, you see it. So we gotta give God thanks and give God the glory because, you know, them don't know the story. Yeah. Big up the Rastaman, because you know if they're them man, they respond to the place. The girls, them pet. Rastaman. What am I talking about? This is the wall of fame and fortune. You see it? You gotta be mine. That's upstairs. Yeah? That's the king's bed. Not my bed, that. So, you know the trap, bro. Yeah. And we never ever did. Kitchen settings. We have downstairs, the movie theater. And now we're going outside to my outside kitchen. Where we roast all swim around and all the things then. No fish. Swim around and then we're going down to the pool area. You know over there. I'm on a bar. You know, let's chill and have a drink at the lockdown here. Yeah? Come here, sister, come here. Come, mommy. Toe face. Yeah, you know the waterfall. Yeah. You know the chopper, though. And boy, I love boy, I can see them yard. At the club, you know. So them do them thing, you know. Come, mommy, come. Yeah. You know the chat going on. Thank you.